One of the main reasons why I bought this 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road hybrid is because it has the ability to have a generator in the back that will actually run fridges. You can use it when you're camping and stuff like that. So today, I realize I haven't made a video on how that actually works. So today, we're gonna do a how-to video. It's super simple, how to hook up the generator. We're gonna test it out and make sure it works. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with where is the actual generator? Because if you see here, there's multiple things that this truck has in its bed that could be like, oh, is the generator there? Is it over here? Well, it's actually right here. So you just lift this up and there you go. There's the plug for the generator. And to power it on, I'll go ahead and show you. The first thing we're going to do is turn the truck on. So here we go. And you'll notice once we get the truck on, we will be pushing one of the buttons over there. Let's go ahead and get it started. All right, the truck is now turned on. Next thing we'll do is come over here and we'll press this button, and once it lights up, it means that there is power to that switch. So let's run over here. We will grab an extension cord. So we'll be plugging that one in, and what we'll be testing is this fridge over here. So as you see, it's currently plugged in. We'll open this, lights on. Let's go ahead and unplug this. It's now unplugged just to verify there is no power. Light is off. Let's go over here. Grab our extension cord and plug it in. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right, so we are now plugged in. So it is now turned on and running. So this is now live. Let's go ahead and hook up the fridge here. We are now pushing that in. I can now hear the fridge is running. Let's take a look, and light is on. So as a quick recap, see, because it's a hybrid, it is actually on right now, even though you don't hear it running because it's running off the battery backup. So that's what the fridge is running off of, is the truck, but the truck is running off the battery. So again, super simple. All you have to do, turn the truck on, come over to this button right here that says AC 120. You press that, it turns it on. You come over here, you plug in your extension cord, and then you take whatever it is you're trying to run and plug it into your extension cord. A quick word from our sponsor for today's video is Horne 32 Construction. They build houses exactly like this one behind. They do starter homes from $300,000 all the way up to multi-million-dollar houses on the lake. Their contact information is below if you are in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. Check them out. They are top quality. So let's talk final thoughts. Do I think that it works well? Yes. It's super simple to set up. You literally just press a button and plug in an extension cord or whatever it is you're trying to run, and that's it. It's super simple. I love the fact that the hybrid has that ability. So if you are trying to decide between a regular gas model versus the hybrid, and you are looking for, you know, something you can use as a battery backup, like we had Hurricane Helene a couple years ago now, I guess, and I was able to run the fridge in my house off of this truck. Thankfully, I filled up with gas before the hurricane came, and I was able to use this truck to actually keep the stuff in our fridge from going bad. So it comes in super handy if you don't have like an actual like big giant generator, or if you're out camping somewhere, it comes in super handy. So there you have it. That's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.